In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable HSTS on Cloudflare. Making sure your website is secure is crucial, and HSTS is a powerful way to add an extra layer of protection. HSTS, or HTTP Strict Transport Security, ensures that browsers connect to your website using HTTPS, helping to prevent certain types of attacks. Today, I'll guide you through setting this up on your Cloudflare account. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. If you haven't already, head over to the Cloudflare website and enter your login credentials to access the dashboard. Once you're in, select the domain you'd like to configure. This ensures that the settings we apply are specific to the correct website. Next, navigate to the SSL/TLS section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Under this section, you'll find an option labeled Edge Certificates. Click on that, and you're one step closer to enhancing your site's security. Now, scroll down until you find the section dedicated to HTTP Strict Transport Security, commonly referred to as HSTS. At this point, you'll see an option to enable HSTS. Go ahead and click on it. Cloudflare will present you with a warning dialog. This step is crucial as HSTS involves making changes that can impact how your site is accessed. Take a moment to review the warning carefully. Once you understand the implications, check the box that says, "I understand," to acknowledge this change, and then click Next to proceed. Now it's time to adjust the settings. Start by ensuring that the Enable HSTS option is turned on. This activates the feature for your site. Moving on to the max age header, you'll want to set this to a period that typically ranges between 6 to 12 months. This tells browsers how long they should remember that your site is only accessible over HTTPS. Feel free to set a duration that matches your security needs. Next, consider whether to include subdomains. This option is helpful if all the subdomains associated with your main domain support HTTPS. Turning this on adds an extra layer of thoroughness to your security configuration. Then there's the preload option. This should only be activated if you're prepared to comply with preload requirements. It signals that your site should be included in browser preload lists, mandating HTTPS connections up front. Take this step only if you're confident in your compliance with these standards. Lastly, there's the no-sniff header. This is an optional setting that adds a layer of security by helping to manage content types securely. If this fits your security model, you may want to enable it. Once you're satisfied with your configuration, click Save to apply these changes. Congratulations! Your site will now automatically include the HSTS response header in all HTTPS traffic, making it more secure against certain potential threats. And that's it. You're all set up. Thanks for joining me in automating your site's security with HSTS on Cloudflare.